Of all the salad dressing recipes we have shared, this lemon garlic tahini dressing is the one you will find most often in our fridge. Start with a 1/4 cup of tahini. Use store-bought or make your own. Watch our video showing how to make it. Next, we add some finely grated or minced garlic. Now we need some lemon. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons, but you can always add a bit more if you need more zing. To make this extra creamy, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and to balance the bitterness of the tahini, add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. For a toasty flavor, add 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil and then season the dressing with a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and smoked paprika. Now whisk everything together. It's going to be thick and might even seize up on you at this point. That's okay. All we need to do is whisk in some cold water and the dressing will turn luxuriously creamy. And that's it. Our lemon garlic tahini salad dressing that is perfect for adding to hearty salads, grain bowls, roasted veggies, and even as a sauce for meats or seafood. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.